This is May 2022 in Ireland. It's not a very sunny day. This is our plum tree, planted a few years back, and it was repositioned here the back end of 2020. I didn't bring any crop last year. This year we fed it with some potash for some flowers. Don't see many plums on it at the moment, except very few. So this is the condition in May. We'll go through in some next videos how the tree brings fruit and if they matures up or the tree actually drops the fruit. So the leaves look healthy enough, no disease on it, and everything looks fine. Maybe it's at a windy spot. And next to it is a cherry tree which was pruned last year, and this year it's brought a lot of fruit. So you can see cherries on it, and again, this is May 2022. This is the last weekend of May. So we'll upload some more videos in next coming weeks just to see the growth of it. These are some other perennials or bushes, actually, sorry. So this is I think it's called California Blue, so it'll have blue color flowers all throughout the summer, and this bush brings tiny little white flowers, loads of them. Hopefully it does the same. This is a small little hosta down there. There's a kaffir lilies and some other plants, and there's a wisteria planted right at the back, which we can't see at the moment, so looking forward to it. And this is a yellow rose. It's called Grandfather, and some happy bees on the raspberry plants. A climbing rose, just trying to train it along this wire here, so it was trimmed, and this year I see a lot of blooms on it, a lot of buds. And there was another shoot which I've trained to go to the right side, and some peonies, lilacs, and some poppies, pansies from last year. So and some more roses here, roses, poppies. And this is a pear tree, so it's our south facing wall. We get more sun here. You can see the pears. It's the month of May, and it had a lot of flowers this year, but don't see much fruit. We'll see. There could be some hidden fruit. We'll see the next few weeks if they start to show. Poppies, some Russian sage coming up. My favorite climbing hydrangea. There's more flowers this year than last year. Some more roses, and again apple trees. So two different varieties. This one here has mostly red fruit, red apples. They're kind of gala apples, but don't know the exact name of this variety. But this is Cox Pippins, which is nice, but it has less fruit on it for the last couple of years. There's some wilted leaves. Don't know the reason of it. This is another iris coming up, some foxgloves and rudbeckias. This is a David Austin rose, again repositioned 2 years back, and this year seems to be doing fine. A lot of buds on it, healthy, no green flies. It's another rose bush. There's a yellow climbing rose. This is our mulberry tree. It has brought some fruit this year. It's here nearly 10 years. So this year we see some fruit on it. Again, another variety of David Austin white rose. Some more roses, peony trees, and there's an acer and a red honeysuckle here. It's about 15 years old. Some yellow iris, it's a beautiful flower. Here we have another David Austin. It's Poet's Wife. It's a yellow flower, and this is Roald Dahl, another David Austin's. And this year just doing some experiment of putting sweet peas in a pot